Howdy folks, we are back again and live at 2 p.m. battling for Robert's Han Carbonite. Ooh, he's graded AFA 75. I got 70 spots, which I am going to copy and take over to random to find this sweet treat a new home on a Thursday afternoon. Copy him there, paste him there. There they are, 1 through 70. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6er. We're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. Here we go. Donnie round 1. Chris round 2. Matt round 3. Donnie again on top in round 4. Jay round 5. And our winner is Steve in at number 7. Congrats, Steve. There's the verification code and official results for you guys. WOXWIC. Steve Ferreira. Number 7 is the victor of Robert's Han Carbonite battle. And I'm done at 2:01 p.m. There she is. Again, here's the official results. And our winner, Steven, at number 7. See you next time, guys. Thanks.